Mangadechu hydroelectric project in Bhutan has been assisted by which country? India. Which Indian wrestler has won the Olympic wrestling bronze medal in 2021? Bajrang Punia. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador to Eurosport India? John Abraham. Which two countries have joined the Coalition on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure? Bangladesh and Canada. Who got nominated for another term of 3 years as chairperson of the NCW? Rekha Sharma. Which bank has approved $300 million loan for rural connectivity project in Maharashtra? EDB. International Cat Day is being celebrated on which date? August 8th. The International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples is being observed on which date? August 9th. Quit India Movement Day is celebrated on which date? August 8th. Who overtook Anil Kumble to become the third highest wicket taker in Test cricket? James Anderson. Who is the first woman pilot of India? Sarla Thukurar. Which state has launched the e-Nagar mobile application? Gujarat. Swiggy launched electric cycles in which city? Hyderabad. The first hydrogen fuel cell based train will run in which state? Haryana. P.S. Banerjee, who passed away recently, belongs to which profession? cartoonist.